Hello guys, I'm going to do the second lesson homework. So follow me. Let's start with body language. Okay? Devote, passionate, communicate, global, citizen, believe, fearless, foreigner, affect. So now the second term. Devote, passionate, communicate, global, citizen, believe, fearless, foreigner, affect. So the second work is about a Vietnamese lesson. Okay, let's start with body language. Remember, I'm Vietnamese. I'm here to make Vietnam stronger. I'm a global citizen. I communicate with the whole world. I'm passionate about learning English. I know I will speak perfect English. I will devote all my time and effort. I enjoy listening to English every day. I enjoy speaking English everywhere. So that's all about our homework today. Thanks for watching.